How to use the if-all statement in Python. I have a function named checker, nums, that has an argument that will later receive a list. What I want to do with that list is to check if each other element is greater or equal to the previous one. Example. I have a list, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and I have to check if it fulfills the condition. Since it does, the function should return true. My code. This will only run once and return true if the first condition is true. I've seen a statement if all and am unsure of how to use it.
Your function can be reduced to this. Note the following. Zip loops through its arguments in parallel, i.e. nums 0 and amp, nums 1 are retrieved, then nums 1 and amp, nums 2, etc. I is lower than or equal to j performs the actual comparison. The generator expression denoted by parentheses ensures that each value of the condition, i.e. true or false, is extracted one at a time. This is called lazy evaluation. All simply checks all the values are true. Again, this is lazy. If one of the values extracted lazily from the generator expression is false, it short circuits and returns false. Alternatives. To avoid the expense of building a list for the second argument of zip, you can use itertools.ilis. This option is particularly useful when your input is an iterator, i.e. it cannot be sliced like a list. Another iterator-friendly option is to use the itertools pairwise recipe, also available via third-party more_itertools.pairwise. Another alternative is to use a functional approach instead of a comprehension.
Your code can in fact be reduced to checking if nums is sorted, e.g. This does exactly what you expect, e.g. Similar solution to at jp_data_analysis using more_itertools.windowed. And for scientific purposes, not recommended code, here is a more functional approach.
Isn't it what